Morning student, myself Care Singh from Javtri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 9 subject SST Economics chapter 2nd Pupil as a Resource. Firstly we discuss human capital formation. When the existing human resource is further developed by becoming more educated and healthy, we call it human capital formation. Any student want to be a human capital, thereafter they must be educated and healthy. Without education and health, no one can make a human capital. Investment in human capital through education, medical, healthcare yield a return just like investment in physical capital. In physical capital, we see the physical activities, and in human capital the investment is education. A child will take education and proper take care of health medical facilities, thereafter it will become a human capital in future. It increase the productivity of the worker. Human capital have the power, or the more and more productivity will be generated through their knowledge and their training and skills. Educated, trained and healthy people can use natural resource in a better way. If a person are not educated, thereafter he not understand the better utilization of the natural resources. It adds to quality of labor. If any labor have been skilled education, thereafter that particular labor have been more and more qualitative. A country can earn foreign exchange by exporting service. If a country want to be earn more and more foreign exchange, thereafter the employees must be more skilled and more trained, and the employees can sell out, or the particular exporting service can be provided. Thereafter it is more and more helpful for the earning of foreign exchange. Productivity, human capital increase the productivity, and human capital are helpful thing. Education, health, training, that can be more and more helpful for for making a human capital formation. Human resource is different from other resources like land and physical capital. Land, those have been provided by the nature, that's why it is called natural resources. Physical capital consists of all those activities that help in further production of different types of goods and services. Physical capital have been all those type of object, those have been helpful for production of goods and services. It is if goods and services is not available in the particular country, thereafter it will be not useful for the growth of a country. Human resource on the other hand consists of knowledge and skill. Without knowledge and skill, no one can make a human resource. That's why it is very important for a person, those want to make a human resource, they must be skilled and knowledge. Other resources are not capable of bringing about an improvement or effort. The human have been the capacity for making a human capital, because human have been brain, and human have been skilled, and with the help of brain human can do anything. Human resource can be trained. If a person can be trained, it is very easier to achieve the task. So human resource have been the better things. Human resource use the brain efficiently. Human resource education is skill and health, those have been very important for the making human resource. And human resource have been earn money for different types of skills, training and other types of facilities. Population is an asset. Population for a long had been a liability. Population is very important. When a population is skilled, it is very helpful for the economic growth. More and more population, thereafter the more and more human capital have been formed, human resource have been formed, and it is very good for the nation. Human demands on nation resources for their survival. Larger the population, the larger the resource like food, health facilities will be provided by the particular government. Population is the source of supply of most important factor resource. human capital have been more and more effective for the growth of nation. Human capital organizes the population activities and makes other factor resource work. Human capital will be helpful for the knowing about the what types of activities doing by the population, and they can be provide more and more effectively increasement. The stock of knowledge and skill that constitute human resource is available asset. So population as an asset for the economic growth, human capital through skill and knowledge, education and health, and growth of nation depend on human resource. More and more human resource, more and more growth of a country. Thank you very much.